Investing in coaching with you helps me.
Mhm.
And then if I look at my numbers over the year, and 2024 was my return to work year.
Mhm.
So it was really fascinating to see this shift of the income in my clinic revenue, treatment revenue, coaching revenue, and also even product. Like my product
Mhm.
sales went up as well.
Mhm.
All in all, it's all been pretty amazing and rewarding to see. Coaching for me has been huge. Like working with other coaches like yourself has been really, really big because it brings in support and accountability. It also allows you to just set aside that time. So if you're like, okay, I know I'm meeting with Allison on Tuesdays at 3, then that's already in the schedule. And you know you're going to have that time to focus and bounce ideas off of each other. And a lot of the time you get into feeling really alone in this world, even though we work with so many clients, people. But I find coaching is when you're like, not that we have a staff room, but you walk into a staff room and your favorite person is there. It's kind of that. You get to have that little moment where you're like, oh, I know this person understands me and I'm going to go through these things with them. And it's going to be super supportive on any way if I'm working on personal or business. So that's been really helpful. I did a lot of work on my own mindset because I felt really down probably about a year after my accident. I still had some concussion symptoms going on. And I was like, this is not getting better. Like, what if I don't get better? And I shifted a lot of the things I was doing that weren't big, complicated shifts. It was
Mhm.
honestly little things like wake up in the morning and write your 3 favorite things. And looking at things that you were grateful for that aren't big and grandiose, like aren't like, oh, I'm grateful that I made 6 figures. It was literally like, I'm grateful that I have these new slippers that feel super
I love it.
building off of that gave me the confidence in my mind that I could change and
Mhm.
doing like walks every day, looking at the colors of the leaves, all of those things shifted in my mind to give me the space. It is great to get help. I think it's awesome to have help. There's a lot of things that we do that takes a lot of our energy. So really looking at those areas that feel depleting and being like, wait, is there a way that I could automate that? Is there a way that I could make a strategy and system in place so that I'm not doing that? And then focusing on your strengths and what makes you feel whole and rejuvenated and bring energy and excitement and creativity. It's not to say that you're still going to have to do some task where you're like, that's not the best. But when you have the energy to do that, you can just do it.